Hi, this is Pete from Sorcery Soap, and I wanted to show you another use for these little cutters. I had a hard time finding them, so I ordered a bunch of them and offer them on the website. I figured if you're gonna order soap dough that you might want to pick one of these up too, because they've been really useful to me. And this is what I'm making with these little flowers. I use the shape for ears, and I also use them for scales on dragons, but I definitely use them for ears. So I'll show you what else. The reason I'm making these little flowers, they're going to go along with these little horses, and I'll have a video up for the horses real soon. So this is just a piece of soap dough laid between two pieces of plastic, and then push that through. You want to make sure that it goes all the way through so you don't get those little frayed edges. And I'll put this on here. Just put a little water on here. So what I was thinking was I didn't want to have to put tiny little flowers along with these horses on each soap, so I'd make a little cluster of flowers to put with it, so they'll sit like that. See if I could show you like that on top of each bar. And then they could be a little fiddly, but everything little can be fiddly. There. They're just, and they come five little petals to each one, so each cutter makes 5 petals. Sometimes when they're a little fiddly, it'll be easier to use the paintbrush. And I just put them on with water so they can move. You can move them around and position them. Whoops. And position them like you need them to be. There. Paint a little water on them so they stick and they dry. This guy needs to be better. Oops. Put a little bit too much water on. There. Okay. Okay, so now we want to put a little flower center in there. I'll use pink this time because you can see the orange right there. And just roll a little ball. There, and there you go, a little flower. So that's made with this little cutter. So I thought maybe you'd like to see that. Okay, thanks. I hope you have a great day.